are the best friend burping bros, and we're gonna have a competition to see who's the better burper, me or him.
You gotta vote.
Vote on comments, and we'll tell you who's better on our next show. Now we're gonna burp.